disturbing was going on. I don't know if I can repeat that because I'm pretty shaken up right now. There was feedback in that last video. What it is, I don't know. Do this the best way. I'm not sure. I mean, at first I figured, I had the TV on. It was on very low, and it was on the news. But it sounded like voices cheering or protesting or something. But it sounded very, at the level it was played at, it sounded very, very scary. I mean, look, I'm somebody I've studied, I've read about things like hoodoo, and I'm not freaked out by that. But as much as I study and as many radio shows as I listen to and as many articles as I read, and as much as, I read the work of Miss Cat and all those other people, oh God, some things have happened that have been horribly, horribly devastating. People that I really looked up to as role models have gone through their own stuff, and they didn't, and it wasn't right, and they shouldn't have. But just those voices, I don't know what it is. Maybe it was from the TV. I don't know. Maybe if it was some kind of like our lines were crossed. I mean, maybe somebody's listening in because I heard that feedback as weird stuff like that. I mean, that certainly wouldn't surprise me. I mean, me and my private, neuroses. I mean, it's highly imperfect, but it's what my story is, and, I'm getting it down. But yeah, those voices, I have to say that, God, I haven't really experienced anything like that. That was, I don't know. That rattled me out and shook me out of my skin. I mean, God. Yeah.